So here I'm going to show you how to do a more private browsing session in Microsoft Edge. So it's not complete privacy, right? But it helps with some of the tracking and such. So, you're going to start off, of course, with a regular page in Microsoft Edge. And you click on the three little dots in the upper right-hand corner. And we have this new InPrivate window option. So you can also, as you see here, press Control Shift N to open the same kind of private window. So when we click on that, we get this whole new dark experience, right? And basically, the visual difference is to show you that you are now in private mode, right? And that is actually a new window. The original window that we did the command from is still here on the taskbar, and here is the new private window, right? So if we want, we can close that original one. And then, it gives you some notes about what this does. Is it deletes your browsing info when you close all in private windows, right? You can still save collections, favorites, and downloads, right? But your download history won't record any of these events, and prevents Microsoft Bing searches from being associated with you, right? But as they say here as well, this isn't going to hide your browsing from your school, employer, or internet service provider, right? They can have systems in place where they can still see what you're doing, if nothing else, through for some of these through screenshots and such, right? So no hiding from those people, right? And of course, your internet provider, service provider, always has a bit of a handle on what you're doing. Even when you have a VPN running or whatever, at least they know you're running one of those, right? If nothing else. So, the idea here is it's not completely private, but it does help in terms of how many traces it leaves on your computer um, for somebody coming in after you, right? So, and here, of course, you can do just regular searches, and whatever you end up doing, uh, it's not going to be tracked on your computer in the same way that it normally would.